Definitions of terms. One, quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. This is an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. With highest degree of any variable as 2. The general form of quadratic expression is given by ax squared plus bx plus c, where a and b are coefficients. A and b are coefficients. C is a constant term. Examples include 2x squared plus 5x minus 8. This is an example of a quadratic expression. We can also have minus 6x squared y squared plus 9xy minus 4y squared. This is another form of quadratic expression. So we have a lot of them. So we just have 2 examples here. Now, let's look at the second term. The second one, and that's binomial expression. What do you mean by binomial expression? This is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression with sum of difference of 2 terms. Sum of difference of 2 terms. For examples, x plus y is a binomial expression. Why? How many terms are we having here? We're having 2 terms. This is the first term, this is the second term. And you can see sum or difference of 2 terms. Sum, it represents the addition here. We can also have, let's say, 2a minus 5b. This is another example of a binomial expression. We have a lot of them. So these 2 definitions that we have on the board here, they are very important because they serve as previous knowledge for this particular topic. Thank you very much.